Hi kitties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm getting ready to do a festive photo shoot. So I want my makeup to have a flawless and smooth base as I will be taking a lot of pictures. For that I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me regime to achieve this festive makeup look. This regime covers dark spots, blemishes, textured skin, dark circles and gives a flawless base which looks good in pictures. So let's begin. I like to prepare for the festivals in advance so that everything falls into place. Just like that, I prep my face using a primer to ensure a smooth and even base for my makeup. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy plus Smooth Primer. It creates a barrier between your skin and makeup, making sure that your foundation lasts longer and looks smoother. It has vitamin E which nourishes the skin and gives a flawless dewy finish which I love for the festive season. Next up, foundation, and you can never go wrong with Maybelline Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless Foundation. I'm in shade Natural Buff 230. It comes in 18 shades to fill all Indian skin tones, so finding your right match for this festive season won't be overwhelming. Always start from the center of your face, move on to your cheekbones and continue blending outwards. Secret to a good base is using the tiniest amount of product and then keep adding more if needed. I have a oily T-zone, so the natural matte finish this foundation gives is perfect for my skin type and I don't need to worry about my base moving during the festivities. To complete this base makeup, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in shade Medium 25. Choose concealers that are the same shade or a shade lighter. I use to conceal my dark circles, but you can use to conceal your blemishes, acne scars or redness. So I'm gonna show you a makeup hack that you can do to achieve a lifted concealer look. So I'm placing my concealer in this way, which not only cover my dark circles, but also give a lifted look to my base makeup. One more hack that I do is I spray some setting spray onto my sponge and use it to blend my concealer in. This will ensure a creaseless appearance and make the concealer stay longer. Now it's time to set the concealer in its place with Maybelline Fit Me Pressed Powder. I have a oily T-zone, so I'm going to apply it around my nose, under my eyes, on my chin and on my forehead. Basically, you put your powder everywhere where you tend to crease, like your under eyes or your spine lines, and onto the places where you get oily, like I get oily on my nose. And this is the before and after of base makeup. You can see how flawless and smooth my base makeup looks. Now I'm gonna add some color to my cheeks and I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Blush in shade Fierce, and I'm gonna put it in a way that's gonna give me a lifted look. Start from here and then move inwards. I've applied few products on my face and I want to make sure they stay put throughout my festive photo shoot. So I will lock all of this in its place using Maybelline Fit Me Setting Spray. It gives instant shine-free matte look and makes my makeup transfer proof.
Look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be,
And this is the final makeup look I achieved using Maybelline Fit Me regime. It's hard to choose only one favorite product because I love them all, but I will choose their foundation. It's budget friendly, gives a flawless smooth base which lasts you whole day. That's why I highly recommend their foundation. I hope you got some inspiration for the coming festive season, and don't forget to check out the description box for links of these products and other details. Now I'm gonna click some pictures for the festive photo shoot and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye kitties.
look at all these beautiful shades. Everybody welcome, alright? Okay. Ain't nobody gonna be like me. I'm gonna be,